Hey everyone, in today's video we will solve Bookmarklet PicoCTF. So let's start. Go to the website and you can see there is some script here. So now what you have to do is just copy this and then inspect, go to console and paste that and hit enter, and you got the flag. So copy this and paste it here and submit it. You can also do this in other way. You can copy this part and open your code editor, and now you can write console.log decrypt flag and then run. Then you got the flag. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.